Guys, I've got something new here for us. I've got the much anticipated 2019 Ford Ranger. They have finally brought this thing back. After much anticipation, Ford has been out of the small truck segment for quite some time, but they've knocked it out of the park with this iteration of the Ranger. I just got back from taking this thing for a test drive, and man, I'm telling you, it has a lot of power. These things are rated at 270 horsepower, over 300 foot-pounds of torque, with a 2.3 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder motor mated with a 10-speed transmission. This truck, as it's equipped, is rated to get 24 miles a gallon. Just off my first test drive, doing 70 miles an hour, I got 22.5. That was with 3 guys in the truck, and the motor's not even broken in yet. This is a Lariat trim level truck. This is the 501A package, so you can see the wheel that comes with it there. It's kind of got the cat eye daytime running lights that I really like. One thing that I also really like that I think should be equipped on all Ford vehicles is the front sensor, so when you start to get close to something, it'll beep at you and let you know. This truck's got the leather interior with the heated seats, the big sync screen, which they call Sync 3 now, push button start. I'm a big guy, I'm 6'6" and over 300 pounds, and I had plenty of room. And along with plenty of room, this truck's got plenty of power. I've driven many a Tacoma that's about this size, and the Tacoma just feels sluggish compared to this Ranger. I mean, I had no problem getting on the interstate, getting up to speed, and running down the road. It's extremely smooth. The steering is tight. I think Ford really did well with it. This one's 4-wheel drive. Does have the drop-in bed liner. This one has the manual rear window. These trucks, properly equipped, can pull an unbelievable 7,500 pounds, which I thought was really impressive. I'm going to jump in the driver's seat and give my buddy the camera and let y'all see some of the interior features and options that come in the Lariat. If you like the exterior, I think you'll really like the interior. So this, guys, you can see, it's the key fob that Ford has now. So this one allows you to lock, unlock, and remote start your vehicle from here. These vehicles are also outfitted with Ford Pass, so you can actually link your truck to an app. You can start your truck from anywhere in the world, lock, unlock it. This particular iteration of the Ranger in the Lariat package has the push button start. So as long as you've got this key fob in the car, you can just put your foot on the brake, press this start button. It's going to activate the truck, start it right up. This one's got the B&O audio kit on it, and I never pronounce it right. I think they call it Bang & Olufsen, but that's their upgraded audio kit. You can see here the Sync 3 screen is starting to fire up. You've got Bluetooth connectivity. You've got your heated seat controls here. Same iteration in most of the new Ford units. You've got your Bluetooth connectivity. You've got navigation here. You've got an app tray where you can add Pandora, SiriusXM, Travel Link, Spotify, things of that nature. You've got all your setting controls here for your audio, media, Ford Pass. You can dial in your display. You can change your ambient lighting from the array of colors here. Down low here you can see the climate controls, so you can actually control the climate from the actual touch screen, or you can touch the tactile buttons here. You've got dual climate control on either side. You've got your seat buttons here, you've got your climate here, and then you've also got your heated seat controls down here. You can see down here with the Ranger, they still have the shifter. You know, a lot of the Fords are switching over to the rotary dial for the shifter, but they kept this here for that. Now you can see the 4-wheel drive selector is the rotary dial, so you can just twist it once to go into 4 high, twist it twice to go into 4 low. That will change on the fly. Okay, you've got your automatic start and stop. You can disable that there if you want to. So Ford, with a lot of these vehicles now, when you come up to a stoplight and you're on level ground and you've got fuel in the tank, the truck will actually turn itself off to conserve fuel. A lot of people say that's hard on the starter, but that's just not the case. You've got your trailer tow selector here. You can turn your rear parking aid on and off here, and you've also got traction control here. You've got USB ports down low in the tray that you're going to be able to plug your phone into. That's going to give you Android Auto connectivity, Apple CarPlay, also going to allow you to charge your phone. You can see here with the steering wheel, very similar to other Ford steering wheels, not much has changed. You've got Bluetooth and audio controls right here. This stack of cursors right here is going to control this screen. You can go through your multimedia, navigation, phone controls. Over on the left side here, you can control this screen. You can see fuel economy. You can change your driver assist controls, things of that nature. This one also has adaptive cruise control, so that's something that Ford has offered for a while. You can set your cruise control at 70 miles an hour, tell the truck how far away you want to be from the vehicle in front of you. Truck will actually slow itself down and speed itself up based on how far behind you are the vehicle in front of you. You've got automatic headlights here, so they come on automatically, but you've also got auto high beams, so the high beams are automatically controlled. You don't have to mess with that manually if you don't want to. If you see on either side of these mirrors here, there's blind spot monitors, so when somebody gets in your blind spot, the truck is actually going to let you know by illuminating an amber light right there. You know, like I said, I just took this truck down the road and I'm really impressed with it. This is a little bit more of an expensive trim level than, you know, most Rangers. This is a Lariat. This truck stickers for $41,670. We've got it here and for sale. You can get them even more expensive. You can get them less expensive. You know, they're offering this truck in a crew cab and an extended cab. There is no option for a regular cab. There's no option for a manual transmission. But, you know, I just got done driving this truck for the first time. I put about 15 miles on it, and I really like the fit and finish of the truck. The leather is really soft and comfortable. All the accents, you know, the chrome and the brushed kind of aluminum and the carbon fiber-esque kind of look to it. I think it's got a good fit and finish to it. I'm really impressed with it. I was afraid I wasn't going to have enough room in a truck this size. I mean, actually, my first vehicle I ever owned was a 92 Ford Ranger regular cab, straight shift. And, you know, it was, for me, it was really hard to get in a truck that size. But now with the option of the crew cab, and there's so much more room in this iteration of truck, I'm really impressed with it. Like I said, I'm a big guy. I'm 6'6", over 300 pounds, and I had plenty of room to stretch out. You know, it's by no means a full-size truck, but I'm really impressed with it. I think it's going to do well. I think Ford has missed out on the small truck market segment for a while, so I think it's going to do really well, and we're really looking forward to seeing what Ford has to offer in some of these different trim levels. Like I said, this is the first one we've gotten, so we've got more on the way. If you're interested in this truck, don't hesitate to give us a shout. I'll put my 1-800 number on here where you guys can get in touch with me with questions or concerns, or even if you want to order one. You know, just because we don't have it on the lot does not mean that you can't order one from the factory for the same price. There's no extra cost associated with ordering one custom from the factory. So like I said, I'll put my 1-800 number on there where you can get in touch with me directly. It rings right to my cell phone, so I'm at your all's disposal. We'd love to help. So I'm going to show you a couple more features. I'm going to let you look at the inside of it a little bit closer without us sitting in it, and we'll go from there. We really appreciate your all's time, and be sure you subscribe to our channel, and we'll put up some more good content. We appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.